Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to select using a shortcut in Microsoft Word. So guys, if you want to select a range of page or a range of content, so it's easy and simple way. Without shortcut, make it up to 10%. So you can select a range of pages or a large number of content. But in this case, you will not able to read easily. But in case you will not, but in case, but in this case you can't read. So second method, using shortcut, you can select range of number of pages. Firstly, press function key F5. Function key F5. Now select your page and enter the page number like 21. So I want to start to highlight content from page number 21. So click on go to and then close it. Now second command, function key F8. So you will not see an effect here, but in background selection mode will be activated. So press function key F8. Now third time press again function key F5. Fn key plus F5. Now this time enter the number of page till you want to select your data or you want to highlight data, like you want to highlight up to 48 page. So just now click on go to. So we can see using this shortcut we can select a large content in Microsoft Word using this shortcut. Shortcut is I will show you here. Click anyway content. So selection mode will be deactivated. Now I will show you that command Fn plus F5 to and to go to and Fn plus F8 activate or to enable selection mode. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.